Hey everyone. I found out how to do this really cool thing this week that I'm excited to share with you guys. I found this in a world language Facebook page. It's called Digital Tools for World Language Teachers. So I'm not sure if any of you guys have seen this before. So this is what their Google Sheet looks like. And so this is like an assignment that they'll be doing. And so what's going to happen is they have the questions here on the left, and then this column right here is where they'll put the answers. And so they just learned how to do this. So I'm just going to type to you the right answer, and then you'll see what it is going to look like for them. So the right answer is trabaja. And once they get the right answer, this and those little boxes will turn a new color. And so what's going to happen is as they type in the right answers, it is going to create a picture in the end. And so this is a great way not only for students to do something a little more different than just a worksheet, but it's also a way for them to make sure that their answers are correct. And it's a way for you to easily tell if they got the answers right or wrong. So it makes grading a lot easier. Um, but I'm just going to end up showing you what the picture looks like. So just give me a second. You can start to kind of see, okay, like there's a rainbow going on, etc. But let me just show you what it looks like if they get something wrong. So let's say they put the wrong answer. Notice it doesn't turn a color, it just stays white. So that means they got it wrong. So they need to try again. And so there's the right answer, and notice it turned the color. Um, Okay, so there's what the picture looks like in the end. So it's a little, this is like a little famous cat, rainbow cat thing. And so this is what it's going to look like in the end. So it's really easy for you to grade because you could just be like, okay, is everything colored in? Yes. Okay, done. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this so that way it's like that on their worksheet. But if you would like to learn how to do this, I will tell you that if you want to make one from scratch like I did, it does take a while. But they also have just random templates already made of pictures that are drawn, because that's what takes the longest is this creating the picture itself. And then the part where you like fill in the answers and stuff is not as bad. But it is kind of complicated to learn at first. I will also attach this YouTube video of this guy explaining how to do it. So he's the one that I learned from. And his is like a very good self-explanatory tool to teach you how to do it and to teach you how to do it with a template as well. Um, but if you would like for me to show you, I can also show you via Zoom. Just let me know and we can Zoom together and we can change this worksheet to be math, to be science, to be whatever it is. Like you could do a multiple choice on a Google Slides and they have to put the answers here, and then at least it's something different than a Google form. So if you have any questions, please send me an email or type a comment to me in the Padlet. Thanks.